The other day I was talking to someone about Lotuses. I said that Saxon and I collect Lotus cars, and he asked if we collected real cars. I've never gotten that question before, but here is a quick tour of the 5 Lotuses that we own. This is my Lotus Evora. I bought it from Schmodified and it has a blown engine. Yeah. We love her though. Behind me is a little sneak peek of my Lotus Elise. I'm not going to show it to you because I haven't unveiled it since it's been painted, but she's back there. That's my baby. This is Schmodified's Lotus Evora with the GT body swapped onto it. You gotta give him props. He really has like the more masculine version of all of the Lotuses, and I've got the more feminine. It's pretty cute if you ask me. Could be couple goals, could also be concerning. We have his and hers Lotus Evora, and we also have his and hers Lotus Elise. His has the more aggressive V6 cup front end and an Exige rear hatch conversion. You might be thinking, oh my god, that's so cute. No, it's unhinged and we go unchecked in life. It is kind of cute though. And then out in the sad boondocks of our boat ramp, we have part of an Exige. I don't know what Schmodified's going to do with this, but I know it's going to be something unhinged because like I said, we go unchecked. I don't even really know if you could consider this car number 5, but I'll link to his channel down below and you guys can see whatever he ends up doing with this thing. Yeah. Let me know in the comment section down below which one of our Lotuses is your favorite, and I'm not saying that you have to pick mine, but you should pick mine. Be on my side.